Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, in this guide I'm going to show you and I'm going to guide you how you can record your entire screen with the OBS software studio. So first of all guys, you need to double click on the software and I will show you different ways and lot of options inside the OBS. The basic tutorial you can see. So once you have opened the OBS software, this will look like this, okay, and that should, when you launch it first time, this should not be listed here. Let me delete this so that, yes, okay. So now the OBS will look like this when you first launch it. So first of all, this is, you need to go to the sources here and you need to add your source here. Click on plus icon here, and once you click on plus icon here, we need to look for this option which says display capture. Okay, click that option and now name as it is and click on OK. So once you have selected, just click on OK. This is a display output. This is my laptop resolution, so make sure you choose that automatic. Capture cursor here also. Cursor means this, the mouse. OK, and click on OK. So once you have selected OK, as you can see here, it is showing now. So how to record this option? You need to just click on this start recording. Okay, once you have click on start recording guys, let me show you. Okay, this will look like this, as you can see here. Let me open the Google Chrome. And let me stop it now. It is stop, and you need to go to this option which says setting, and if you want to add the webcam here, just click on plus icon and let me choose here the okay, let me okay. This is the game capture. Let me cross this out and let me show you settings here. Go to settings, and once you go to setting, go to output, and output should be simple here. Make it simple, and here is the most important one. Recording path will be this. Default will be different, but you can choose that. Browse it, simply browse it, and if you want to give it another, I have given this one, and then select the folder, and the output, the video will be saved here. So let me show you the saved which we have recently created just right now. This and this option. Recording guys, let me show you. See here, let Google Chrome. So see, we have recorded this file and this is a location. Now go to audio and choose as default here. All the option is default. Just choose default setting here. You don't need to do anything right here. Video, just choose the resolution of your monitor and system. Hotkeys, you can add the hotkeys here. I have added that. Start recording. Okay, accessibility, these are the basic hotkey. When you start it, control F7 is my starting, stop is at 10, pause recording is F8, and unpause recording is F9. So see here all the details, you can add them, and once you add, click on apply, click on OK. And let me capture here the different, I want to capture the webcam also here. Let me show you guys. Video capture device, see, this is a video capture device. Okay, as you can see here, you need to click on OK option here. Video capture device is added now, webcam is added. If I want to delete it, just click on that and simply delete it, hit yes. So these are the options, guys. This is the basic tutorial of the OBS and how you can capture the output and hold your monitor. So I hope, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.